Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Ford Fusion. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, ensuring clear visibility for you and preventing glare for oncoming traffic. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to making the final checks. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a measuring tape, and possibly a marker. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle for the adjustment process. Before making any adjustments, it is vital to prepare your vehicle correctly. Park your Ford Fusion on a perfectly level surface, such as a garage or driveway, facing a flat wall. Measure precisely 25 feet from the front of your headlights to the wall. Also, make sure your fuel tank is approximately half full, as this helps maintain a consistent vehicle weight, which can affect headlight aim. Now, let's mark the wall and begin the adjustment. Turn on your low beam headlights. Using your marker, identify the exact horizontal and vertical center of each headlight's brightest point on the wall. Then, measure down 2 inches from the horizontal center line and draw a new line. Locate the adjustment screws, usually found on the back of the headlight assembly, and turn them to align the top edge of the beam with your new lower line. After adjusting, step back and observe the beam pattern on the wall to ensure both headlights are aimed correctly and symmetrically. Take your Ford Fusion for a test drive on a dark, quiet road to verify the effectiveness of your adjustments. Pay attention to visibility and whether your lights are blinding oncoming drivers. If you are ever uncertain about the process, seeking professional help from a certified mechanic is always a wise decision for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.